Absolutely beautiful ice formation here. The Adirondack. iBundangbear here. What's up?
315.
My man. How's the YouTube career going?
Pretty good. I'm starting to get recognized.
Hi.
Say hi, everyone. If you want. Okay.
I'm Noah's Mommy for Life 1989 on YouTube.
Awesome. And we're going to show you a really awesome waterfall, so come along with us, won't you? Still on the path. Pretty tired. Getting a really good workout, though. Awesome. Check out these awesome little pine trees. Aren't they just the most adorable little pines you've ever seen? Just precious. Tons of them, too. All the way. Pine trees all the way. Double rainbow pine trees. Beautiful. So these boulders are massive boulders that are ancient. They receded when massive glaciers from the Ice Age were covering North America. And when the glaciers receded, these big boulders were too big for the ice to pick up. So here they are to this day. Check out that boulder, huh? That uprooted tree. Oh, the Adirondacks are just beautiful in February. Hey, did you see my my dready bead? It's real gold. It really is. Well, this is pretty much a boxed-in bobsled run down to the falls. I mean, isn't this crazy? It's just mad icy, and the falls are down there. But crazy path, isn't it? Wow, wow, huh? Nothing's frozen. Nothing froze over this winter. The St. Lawrence didn't freeze over. So, look at that. Yeah, this is where the bear rolls. Getting out there. Thanks, everyone. If you've noticed, I lost a couple pounds. I have. And there they are. Woo! Look at that.
Over Jenny!
Over Jenny! Here we are at Lamson Falls. Check it out. Look at that, people. Here we are. What do you think? No one brings her the real deal like the bear, huh? Look at that.
Watch your step, dude.
Yeah, don't fall.
Oh, yeah.
This dude is crazy as hell.
I know.
Woo! 315 for life, bitches! Woo!
I'm waiting for him to go down.
Shit, I'm not diving in after him.
I know.
The Adirondacks, live life, get out, people. That's what I'm doing. Right? Check it out. Smell that beautiful Adirondack water.